So in this video, traders, I'm going to share with you something that I missed in yesterday's video when looking at the stock market, and it's so crucial to what is happening right now in the stock market. Let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky. It can cause substantial financial loss. Past performance doesn't equal future performance, and there's no guarantees of making money in the stock market, so this is not financial advice, this is just education only. Also guys, first link in the description, learn the 7 steps that you need to learn in order to become a really good trader in the markets. Now, let's get straight into it. Today, what did we see in the stock market? We saw what? We saw the market actually hold. And actually, you know what? Let me actually remove this here. What happened right now? The market actually held where we are right now. Now, something that I was doing after I did yesterday's video, because yesterday's video I came out, you know what? We've got lower high, breaking the previous lows. We should now follow through, right? And that actually still could happen, by the way. The thing that I'm looking at right now, the thing that I'm seeing right now when it comes to the Dow Jones, right, is one thing I did not see was that this is the small picture here, right? This is what's happening right now. But one thing I did not see, and I failed to have a look at, was what was actually happening on the weekly chart. Because remember, this is the small picture, right? This is what's happening on the very, very short-term picture, what's happening right now. But the most important part is to keep an eye on that long-term picture, which is that weekly chart. And one thing I did not see on that weekly chart, let me just delete all these trend lines here, is look where we are right now. Starting from 2006, we had a support here, we had a level through here, and this level through here. Look where it came down. It came down basically to that line and bounced off there. The market has a memory. So this, this is something that I missed in yesterday's video when I was just looking at the short-term picture, but this is just an example and a reason why we need to keep a focus on that big picture there, because you can see the market has a memory with these trend lines here, especially on that weekly chart. And on top of that, the market is doing what still? It's still making, there's the low, there's a low, the Dow Jones is still making low, higher low. This still could be just what? Another higher low, and the way we go up. We're actually at this trend line right now. So the long-term stair stepping is up. I did a video yesterday saying confirm, so on and so forth, but I was just looking at this and I completely forgot the big picture. This was the small picture. I completely forgot the big picture. Then what ended up happening was this. Let me bring up to say 6 months worth of view. That trend line there, look at that there. That's that long-term trend line. Look at where it came down and bounced off there. So, you know, is the crash over already? Or is just the correction over? Or did I miss something there? Same with that there. And same with the Nasdaq as well too. Look at the Nasdaq here. Let me open this chart right up here so you can see it. So same with the Nasdaq as well too. Look at this Nasdaq, big picture analysis, big picture trend line. Look at that there, support came down. Look where it bounced right there, support. Now what's also happening with the Nasdaq? Look at here. Look at that last low. If this is a higher low here on the chart, guess what? We're gonna take off and we're gonna break up the new highs, right? So this could be just another correction in a big booming bull market. So something that I missed in yesterday's video was the big picture analysis. Don't fight that big trend. After being mentored by 4 different 7-figure traders, I've realized they all have some things in common that actually help them do really, really well in the markets. So I'm actually putting on a free training where I'm going to walk you through the 7 simple but powerful universal laws to becoming a consistent profitable trader while achieving a very high success rate without spending 13 years trying to figure it all out. Plus, I'm going to walk you through the absolute details of my #1 trading system that I trade every single day. The very first link in the description, click on that and you'll be able to go check it all out and be able to go see this free training, and I'm going to walk you through every single detail of these 7 universal laws so you too can start to have the odds on your side. So go do that right now and I'll see you on the next page.